Okay, good morning guys. It's your neighborhood farmer once again, Dennis Chidi. As promised already, I said I was going to give you an update on the process and progress of the production of the Gari. Here is the frying stage. Here's the frying stage. I'm still going to give you an update when it is done. We're using a 2-plate system here. This is the sieved ones, and this is the frying process. So I'll keep you updated as we move on. Thank you. So this is the final production of our Gari. So satisfying.